Alright, let's begin. First off, make sure you have a tie that is a good size for you. Slop on my tie. It doesn't even fit. Look at that shit. Pretty tie don't even fit. And sometimes you'll mess up, but don't get discouraged. It happens. This side. So get the little end up. Go like that. Wrap it around once. Put your 2 fingers right in the hole. If you don't want to put your fingers through the hole, just hold it right here. So, through the hole. Like that. And with the little end, what I do is pull the little end downwards, like that. Fix that, make sure it's like looking all good, yeah. And some people do this, I don't know, like, you know, you could do what you want, but there's gonna be like little holes right here. Just gonna want to put your tie right in that little hole. And this one's a little bit big on me, but you can see it goes, you know, a little bit below the belt, a little bit higher is all right. And that is how you tie a tie, ladies and gentlemen. Year. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe and share with your friends. I know this is a bit of an amateur video and I don't really make any fashion videos, but this is for the boys. We gotta learn. We gotta learn how to tie a tie. Peace, everybody. And girls, about to get 10 freaky girls on my yacht.